So in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload the complete batch of information from MLS into Salesforce. In a previous video, I showed you how to upload one batch of information, which was the 4 to 5 units that are active on MLS. But today, I'm going to show you how it is that I organize the data so that I can do it in one upload. So I'm going to skip a few steps here, assuming that you already you watched the previous video. So that way I don't have to repeat myself twice. So first of all, we're going to start by exporting all the data that we need, right? So we'll start once again as if we're starting from the beginning. So add all listings to 437 records. It should be. Oh, got to refresh it. And then we click on View Listings. Click on not select all, not show all. Click on Export. Change this to Edit Listings, CSV, and then rename the file to 4 units active. And that should save it. Let's just make sure. There you go. Now we're going to click on these 5 fields, which will usually add up to be enough. Oh, it's actually also 437 records. That's actually quite a coincidence. All right, 4 to 5. Click on View Listings. Select all. Export. Edit Listings. 4 units. I just write everything else at the top. Makes sense for me. Click on Search Criteria. Be clear. Click on Expired. Should be like 300 something. 366. View Listings. Select all. Export. Edit Listings. CSV. 4 units. Expired. Export. Now I just want to mention that you want to be careful when you're exporting this data to click all the correct fields. Like, make sure you click select all. Make sure that when you're doing this part right here, you click on edit listings. I made the mistake once of clicking on this when I exported it, and it's not going to export the correct information that we need, and it's just going to mess up your data, and then you might have to start all over. So anyways, just just be attentive. So I should have 4 Excel files now. Yep, 4. All right, now we are going to look for 6+ units, the rest of the data. We'll start with active. View listings. Select all. Export. Edit listings. CSV. 6 units active. Export. And then we click on the other 5 fields, which should add up to be below 500. Yep, 391. Perfect. View listings. Select all. Export. Edit listings. CSV. 6 units. Everything else. Downloaded it. Search criteria. We clear. We click on expired. And then we click on view listings. Select all. I know it's very repetitive and boring, but super. Oops. Did you see what I just did? I made a mistake. I exported 6 units expired text. See? It's easy to make mistakes, guys. But because I was talking, I made that mistake. CSV, edit listings, 6 units expired, export. Go, search criteria. And then we click on sold, which is the last one. and view listings. Select all. Any listings, CSV, 6 units sold. All right, if I did this correctly, there should be 8 Excel files, and there are. Perfect. We're gonna start with this. Now we are going to start combining all of the data. See, what I used to do was I used to upload them one by one, which took so freaking long. Luckily, I figured out a way to just upload it all at once, And then since I took the data from there, I can delete it. Copy. Use it now. Active. I wish I could make this more entertaining for you, but it's just boring. It's cumbersome, No. Almost there. I hope that if you're watching this video, you're watching it on 2 times speed, because all I'm really doing is something very mechanical. Okay, active. No. Delete. And perfect. Now all the data is put together. So just as a refresher course, I'm going to organize and prepare the data now. I'm going to season it in case you don't remember how I did it, and this way you don't have to go back to the last video. So we start by using this formula. And then this formula. You see how this formula is here? So what we're going to do is we are going to save it and close it. And before we open it again, we're going to put combined upload. So that way it stops saying 6 units sold or active or whatever it said. Look, formula's gone because it's a CSV file. So I'm going to delete these 2. And now we're almost there. Just got to take the, oh wow, these are actually named the same. I don't think it's going to let me. Here, I'm going to have to put a number 2 on this because otherwise it won't let me open it. Do this. Perfect. We can close that now. And now this is almost ready to go. All I need to do now is, you see how there's this column has the currency format. I gotta change that because for some reason Salesforce doesn't recognize it. I do not know why. General. And then now that we've done that, we change column K and L back to short date. And now it's good to go. Now, one last test, just to make sure that you didn't mess up, because this happened to me last time, is I want you to go to column N, and I want you to press Command down. And if you did this correctly, it will go all the way down. Because last time when I was exporting the data from MLS, I used a report type called main. And when I did that, I exported the wrong information. And if I upload the wrong information into COSTAR, it's just gonna mess up my data. So because of that, just to make sure that you got all of the correct report types when you were exporting the MLS information, go to column N, go all the way down. You can even go to column O if you want to be safe, and column P. Not necessary, but once again, better safe than sorry. So now the information is good to go. And of course, you go here and you upload it. I'm not going to do that now just because I've already done it before, but that is how you upload the complete batch of MLS listings to CoStar.